Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone can hear me. We are planning a maths demo. I think sir must have already announced it to you all. Now, in this demo, we'll be discussing something that's not been taught in this maths lecture that we have started. So I will request all of you all to come for that lecture. And the best part about a demo is that you all can invite your friends also. So if you want any of your friends to come and see how the lectures on Zoom are going on over here, you can invite everyone. And if they like it, then accordingly they can enroll, and then we can continue with the lectures from next week onwards. So make sure that on Sunday at 11, you all are also joining in and asking your friends also to join in. Fine? Okay. Now we'll continue with the lecture. Last time we had done a few sums from practice set 1.3. So let's continue from there now. Okay, in the last lecture, there was one sum that we did not do, and that was question number 2. I'll just write the question down. (18/42). Now this we can directly take for division. But here I would like to discuss something more important, that before you'll take for division, always check, is it possible to cancel it or not? Cancel means, do they both come in the same table so that we can make it smaller, so that division becomes easy. Let me just see if one of you all can answer. Okay, let me try Mrithul from Chembur. Hello, Mrithul. I'm trying to unmute Mrithul. I don't think so he wants to answer. Okay, let's try Toshita from Ghatkopar. Hello, Toshita. Hello. Hello. Okay. Let's try. Just mute her. Let me try Shravya from JB Nagar. Hello, Shravya. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It got muted. One second. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You'll have to help me with this division, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just see 18 and 42. Can I cancel with any number? Can I cancel with 2, for example?
Yes.
So if I cancel this by 2, how much are 18?
2 9s are 18.
9s are 18. And 42, if you don't know, let's go digit by digit. Let's talk about 4. 2 how much are 4?
2 2s are 4.
2 2s are. And 2 how much are 2?
2 1s are 2.
Okay, so can you see that what is remaining is 9/21?
9/21.
Correct. Let's try and divide it further. Let's see.
Okay.
Acha, 9/21. Do they come in 2 ka table?
9/20. No.
9, no. But does it come in 3 ka table?
9. Yes.
Yes. Let's cancel. 3 how much are 9?
3 1s are 3 3s are 6 3 3s are 9.
3 3s are 9. And 3 how much are 21?
3 7s are 21.
7s are 21. So can you see how the numbers have become very small?
Yes.
Acha, now if I want to rather than dividing 18 and 42, which are big numbers, let's divide this right now.
Yes.
So tell me, if I divide it, what will come inside? Will 3 or 7? Out of the two, which one will come?
I 7.
7. You're saying 7? Why 7? You're
Because
just guessing, yeah? Or you know why it is 7?
the number is bigger than 3, so
No, that is not the reason you should go for. You should always remember. Acha, tell me, 3, is it numerator or denominator?
numerator,
And 7?
denominator.
Acha, what is dividing what? Is 3 being divided by 7 or 7 is being divided by 3?
7 is being divided by 3.
No. See, the upper number is divided.
Okay.
So numerator is being divided by denominator. That means 3 will come here. Do you know
Okay.
why 3 will come here? Because 3 is the what? Numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
So remember, only the numerator will come inside. Whether it's big or small does not matter.
Okay.
Okay. So what will come here?
7.
7. Now let's try dividing. अच्छा,
Okay.
7 के टेबल में 3 आता है.
नहीं.
It's smaller, correct?
Yes.
So what should I start on top with?
0.
0. Then
A point.
point. So what will happen here?
30. 30.
Yes. Then tell me 7.
7 4s are 20. I think.
28.
Yes.
Right? You shouldn't think. You should know.
Minus 2.
Subtract.
2.
2. Now what to do?
0.
0. Okay. 7.
2s are 14.
Very good. 7 2s are 14. Minus
6.
6. Then
0.
0.
7 to 7, 7 to 14.
How much is 7 5s are?
35.
7 6s are?
7 6 are 42.
7 7s are?
49.
7 8s are?
7 8
56.
56.
56. Right?
7 8 yes.
And 7 9s are?
7 9 63.
63. So that is more, na?
Yes.
So I'll have to go for 7 8s or 7 9s.
7 8
7 8s how much?
56.
56. Okay. How much is the subtraction?
4.
4. Then?
0.
Okay. Then?
5s are 35.
Very good. 5s are 35. Then? 5. Okay.
0.
0.
7 7s are 49.
7s are 49. Minus
1.
1. Then?
0.
0.
7 1s are 7.
7 1s are 7. Minus
3.
3. Then?
0.
You'll continue on and on, or you'll stop now?
No. We'll stop.
Why will you stop?
Because we got the number 30 or 3 or.
The same thing is repeating again, correct?
Okay.
So do you agree this entire part will repeat again? If you write 30 here,
Yes.
then again you will write 4s are 28, then again minus karke 2 aega, then again 20, then 14, then 16, then same thing will happen, no?
Yes.
So do you agree this 4 2 8 5 7 1 will keep repeating again and again and again?
No, we'll stop.
No. I'm saying we are stopping because even if I do it, no, this same number will repeat again and again.
Yes.
So rather than repeating again and again, do you know how to write it? See, the question was this. 18 upon 42. This was the question.
Yes.
The answer that we got after dividing and cancelling was this. 4 2 8 5 7 1. Now to continue, should I keep writing 42581, 42581, or
No.
there is another way of writing it? How to write it? If these numbers are repeating again and again, do you know how to write it? When the same number repeats again and again, we put a bar on top.
Okay.
Were you present for the lectures, earlier maths lecture, or this is your first lecture?
Yes, I was present.
Okay, we have discussed this. In case you forget, no, what you can do is you can watch the video again on YouTube.
Okay.
Fine, you send the link. So in case you forget anything, watch it again. Make sure you're understanding perfectly and then continue.
Okay.
Okay, that's why we are giving gaps no in between. So if you don't understand or you want to follow something again, you can watch it. Okay, thank you, Shravya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So right now, if you see, our one type of sum is done. That is, we have learned how to divide. We have learned how to convert a fraction to a decimal. Now we saw that some decimals were stopping, some of them were repeating again and again. So we're putting a bar on top. Correct. Now, second thing that we need to learn is how to compare two fractions, or basically any two rational numbers. If they ask you to compare, or any numbers if they ask you to compare, you should be able to say which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Now for that, there is a very simple symbol given. That is this symbol. Right? I hope this symbol everyone knows. Many people, to explain it, call it as a mouth. Right? This looks like a mouth and it is open this way, as in if it wants to eat, it will eat something from this side. Khana aise jayega. So whichever direction the mouth is facing, that direction is said to be bigger. For example, if I want to talk about 5 and 7, out of 5 and 7, I can see 7 is bigger. So what I can say is the mouth will be facing in the direction of 7. So it can eat 7 because 7 is bigger, right? Same logic, if I want to talk about this, some people find confusing, so understand this properly. Minus 5 and minus 7. Yes, out of 5 and 7, 7 is bigger. But out of minus 5 and minus 7, some students might say minus 7 is bigger. Now that is wrong. What you should know is, just to understand which side is bigger, you all can simply draw a number line. And the rule says whatever is in the right side of the number line is bigger. So here if I in between make 0, आगे 1, 2, 3. 3 right में है, तो 3 is bigger than 2. 2 right में है, तो 2 is bigger than 1. But when I go to the left, I'll start with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So out of minus 1 and minus 2, we can see minus 1 right में है, so minus 1 is bigger than minus 2. Minus 2 right में है, so minus 2 is bigger than minus 3. So obviously in these two, minus 5 will be in the right side. On the number line, minus 5 will come first, then it will minus 7 and 1 will come. So this is greater. Right? I hope this part is very clear. And if I talk about 0, 0 is smaller than all positive numbers and 0 is greater than all negative numbers. So 0 ko compare karna bahut easy hai. Fine. So what I'll do is, I'll be starting with 1.2 right now and I'll be taking someone's help for this. Let's try Sarah from Ghatkopar. I'm trying to unmute Sarah. Hello, Sarah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi. I'll be giving you examples. You'll have to tell me which one is bigger.
Yeah.
Okay. You understood the explanation,
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, I'll start with the first example. That is minus 7, comma minus 2. ऐसा textbook में ऐसा लिखा है. So now tell me which is bigger out of the two.
Sir, minus 2.
So when you'll write the answer, you'll write minus 7 and minus 2 and tell me the mouth will face in which direction. Acha, what I'll do is better I'll give you two options, this or this. Option A or option B, which is correct?
Sir, option B.
Yes, option B, because option B mein mouth is facing the right side. मतलब ये बड़ा हो गया ना?
Yeah.
You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, since I've asked you, I'll ask you one or two more examples. Let's talk about the second one, 0 and minus 9 upon 5. 0 and ये positive number या negative है?
Sir, it's a negative in.
हाँ, negative. Don't say negative integer because it's actually a rational number, no?
Yeah.
It's a fraction. So just say it's a negative
Yeah.
number. This is 0,
Negative.
this is negative. So I'm writing
Yeah.
0 and minus 9 upon 5. First, just tell me logically, 0 is bigger or minus 9 upon 5 is bigger?
Sir, 0 is bigger.
Yes, 0 is bigger than all negative numbers. Again, coming back to the
Yeah.
option. Which option? Option A or B?
Sir, A.
A, very good. The mouth will be facing the bigger number, right? And let's say I'll
Yes,
the
sir.
third one now. Third sum is 8 upon 7 and 0. Now tell me in these two, I'll write it over here, 8 upon 7 and 0, which is bigger?
Sir, 8 upon 7.
Perfect. So 8 upon 7 is bigger because it's a positive number. And all positive
Yes, sir.
numbers are greater than 0. So again, tell me, option A or B?
Sir, option A.
Very good. Because then this side is bigger, the mouth will be facing the left side.
Yeah.
You've understood, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Can I mute myself?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll continue with a few more examples. But now things will start getting a little more complicated because here it was very simple. Here there was no fraction. Here it was 0 and positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. That is very easy. Let me start discussing when it's a fraction. Okay. So fraction is this, minus 5 upon 4, comma 1 upon 4. Now fraction may, it might be a little complicated to understand. So make sure you are understanding properly. Here if you notice, if I go to compare, if I compare the numerators, then one side may be bigger, one side may be smaller. If I compare denominator also, there might be some confusion. What if numerator of the right is bigger, denominator of the right is smaller? Sorry, numerator of the right one is the bigger number and numerator of the left one is a smaller number, or नीचे उल्टा हो रहा है. Then how will we guess? So what the textbook says is, it tells us a very simple solution for it. We should make the denominator same. If it is same, then great. If it is not same, then make it same and don't compare that. जो same है उसको compare करने का जरूरत नहीं, वो equal है. What we'll do is once the denominators are same, we'll only compare the numerators. तो मेरे को दो चीज नहीं देखना पड़ेगा. I'll only have to see one thing. Out of these two, which one is bigger? Only the numerators. Denominator, since they are same, we can ignore it. So the good part over here is the denominators are already same. So I don't have to compare them. So what I'll do is I'll compare the numerators only. Okay. So let me take someone's help for this. Okay. Let me take Kaustub's help. Hello, Kaustub.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
you
sir.
understood the explanation?
Yes.
Okay. So as I was saying, in the fraction, we will, if the denominators are same, we can ignore it. That is why I've only written these two. Can you tell me out of these two, which one is bigger, which one is smaller?
Option B. 1.
Correct. But first just tell me which one is bigger out of the two.
5.
This is minus 5 and this is 1. Acha, tell me
Yes.
minus 5, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
1 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Which one should be bigger? Positive number should be bigger or negative number should be bigger?
Positive.
So which one is bigger? Minus 5 is bigger or 1 is bigger? Sorry?
1.
That was the question I was answering. I
1.
think you correct. I think you already knew it. And then you also gave the correct option. Which option did you tell me?
B.
B, correct. But again, I've written it like this, but you will not write it like this. You will write it with the fraction. Okay, you understood this?
Yeah.
This was our fourth sum. So let me use the
Yes.
same logic for the fifth sum. In the fifth sum, 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. Okay. Here also, do you notice the denominators are same? Huh, Costa?
Yes.
So can we ignore the denominators?
Yes.
So I'm going to write 40
Yes.
and 141. Okay. First tell me, out of these two, which one is bigger?
141.
Very good. And now again, keeping that option open, which option should we go for to put here?
B.
B, because this one is bigger. So obviously the mouth will be facing that. But should I write it like this or should I make some changes here?
40 upon 29.
Yes, correct.
141 upon 29.
Very good. Okay, Kaustav, you have understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'll mute you now. I'll pick someone else. Thank you, Kaustav. Okay. Let me try Dhruvi Gada. Hello, Dhruvi.
Yes, sir.
You'll have to help me with the next sum. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm writing the question down. It is minus 17 upon 20 and minus 13 upon 20. This is the sixth question. Acha, in this, tell me, can you see there is a minus in between for the first fraction?
Yes.
That minus, where can I write it? In the numerator or in the denominator?
Denominator.
Wrong. I've told this in the previous lecture. We'll never write minus in the denominator. We'll always write minus where?
Okay.
Where should we write the minus?
Yes.
No, tell me, where should I write it? Numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Okay. Why am I doing this? Because we need to ignore the niche wala part. So I'm bringing all the signs on top. So this is how I'm going to write it. Okay, now Dhruvi, to compare, just check, are the denominators same?
Yes.
The denominator इधर का क्या है?
20.
इधर का क्या है?
20.
So are they same or they are not same? Hello, Dhruvi.
Yes.
Are they same or are they not same?
They are same.
But before you said no.
No,
Okay,
I
they are.
said yes.
Acha, you said yes. Sorry. Okay, so 2020 is same. So can I ignore it?
Yes.
So I'm going to write only minus 17 and minus 13. Before I give you the two options, just tell me which one is bigger. Minus 17 is bigger or minus 13 is bigger?
Minus 17.
Is bigger.
Yes.
You are not listening to the lecture.
Yes. Yes, sir.
What did I say in a number line? This is 1, 2, 3. Acha, tell me, 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger? Hello?
2.
In the number line, 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger?
3.
Acha, tell me out of these two, 1 and 2, 2 is bigger or 1 is bigger?
2.
Because whatever is in the right no is bigger.
Okay.
Same logic here, if I write minus 1 and here I write minus 2. So minus 1 is bigger or minus 2 is bigger?
Minus 2.
I said whichever is in the right is bigger. इन दोनों में से right में कौन सा है? Minus 1 right में या minus 2 right
Minus
में?
1.
So which is bigger?
Minus
-1 is bigger or -2 is bigger?
-1.
तो if I continue आगे ऐसे में करते जाऊंगा, -2 के बाद क्या आएगा?
-3.
-3 के बाद क्या आएगा?
-4.
ऐसा आगे आगे जाके कहीं ना कहीं -13 आएगा, करेक्ट?
Yes.
अच्छा, -13 के बाद क्या आएगा?
-14.
-14 के बाद?
-15.
उसके बाद?
-16.
उसके बाद?
-17.
So I'll write minus after -13. If I continue one by one, even -17 will come.
Yes.
So tell me, out of these two, which one is bigger? -13 is bigger or -17 is bigger?
-17.
What did I say? What is in the right is bigger. दोनों में से right में कौन सा है?
-13.
So which one is bigger? -13 or -17?
-13.
You understood that?
Yes.
तो बेसिकली अगर मैं आपको सिंपल टर्म्स में बताऊं, 13 एंड 17 में से 17 बड़ा होगा और -13 और -17 में उल्टा होगा, -13 बड़ा होगा. You understood that, Dhruvi?
Yes.
What did you understand? Out of 13 and 17, which is bigger?
17.
And out of -13 and -17, which is bigger?
-17.
We explained over here, no?
Yes.
जो नेगेटिव में जो छोटा होता है, that is actually the bigger number.
Okay.
So out of -13 and -17, which is bigger?
-13.
So here, if I'm telling you -13 is bigger, so which option is correct? A or B?
B.
B, because -13 is bigger, तो move right में जाएगा.
B.
You understood? But should I leave it here?
No.
What should I change?
Sir, I think so change.
नहीं, what should I change? मतलब I should leave the answer here या कुछ change करना बाकी है इधर?
-13 will go that side and 17.
No, that's not the correct way. What I said is this answer is correct.
Yes.
But we are not supposed to compare -17 and -13. We are supposed to compare these two.
Okay.
तो इसमें और इसमें फर्क क्या है? What is missing over here? ये तो सिर्फ numbers है ना? Fraction था ना?
Fraction.
तो upon क्या बाकी है इधर? What should I write?
Upon 20.
हाँ, so you forgot that. And what to write here?
20.
20. This is the answer. You understood, Dhruvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's pick some other people now. Okay, let me try Hitesh from Parla.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hitesh, now you'll have to help me with the seventh sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, seventh question says 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Acha, can I ignore the denominator?
No, sir.
Why?
Because they are not similar.
Basically here we could ignore them because both were same, both were equal. So isko hata ke we could only compare the top part.
Yes.
Here we cannot ignore them because ये भी इसमें से भी कोई greater smaller है. जैसे अगर मैं ऊपर देखूं 15 is greater,
Yes.
नीचे देखूं 16 is greater, so that is confusing. So there are actually two ways that we can do. Now some schools are adamant that we go for the difficult part. So let's learn that difficult part first. फिर मैं आपको easy part भी दिखा देता हूँ. ठीक है? For that we should know how to find out LCM. Do you know how to find out LCM?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To find LCM, what you should do is, I'm just explaining for people who don't know. You should try, everyone knows factorization, no? We do this. Same thing we have to do, but one number should try and cancel both of them. Jesse, tell me, Hitesh, can I use 2 to cancel both of them?
Yes, sir.
2, how much is 12?
2, sir.
2, sorry?
6.
6. Yes. And 2, how much is 16?
8, sir.
8s are okay. Can I continue ahead with 2?
Yes.
Okay, 2, how much are?
3s are.
And 2, how much are?
4s are.
4 are. Acha, again, can I continue with 2 only?
Yes, sir.
I agree, 3 नहीं जाएगा, but 4 तो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Till 2 is exhausted, keep using 2. So 3 तो we'll copy it as it is. Nothing can cancel. 3 cannot be cancelled with 2. But can I cancel 4 by 2?
Yes, sir.
So how much?
2s are.
Acha. Now again, can I go to 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here what to write?
3.
3. And here?
1.
Perfect. Okay, सारे 2s exhaust हो गए. ये 1 हो गया, अभी इसको 1 बनाना है.
So
So
3s
which table? 3s are. 3 1s are, and this is also 1s are. So this entire multiplication will give me the LCM. Okay, Hitesh, quickly multiply all of them and tell me what the answer is. All others who are not unmuted can also multiply and keep the answers ready.
are. So 48.
48. Okay, perfect. Right? So the reason we find LCM is so that we can make both the denominator as 48.
Yes.
You understood? अभी ये denominator 48 है ना?
Yes.
इन दोनों को मुझे 48 बनाना है. So tell me, I'm writing it separately here. It is 15 upon 12. And then later we'll work on 7 upon 16. Tell me 12 को, what should I multiply to make it 48?
4s are.
Perfect. And last time मैंने आपको एक trick बताते समय बताया था कि whatever change you make in the denominator, that
should make
same
the
change,
numerator.
very good. So what should I multiply here by?
4s are.
4s are. Tell me what is 15 into 4?
60.
60. And 12 4s are, so we know is 48.
48.
Achha, let's use the same logic for this 7 upon 16. Right? जैसे मैंने इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 48 बनाया, इसको भी मैं समथिंग से मल्टीप्लाई करके 48 ही बनाता हूँ. 16 into what is 48?
3s are.
Very good. Now, some students might be wondering, how do we know this? That is because we know 16 ka table. And if you all do not know, as I've told you all earlier, lockdown is the best time. Learn all your tables till 19 and keep. It will be very helpful. You can see how helpful it is. Okay, Hitesh, इधर into 3 किया तो ऊपर into 4 करेंगे क्या?
नहीं sir, 3.
Into 3. Okay, now tell me, what is 7 into 3?
21 upon 48.
Very good. Acha, do you notice something, Hitesh, what has happened?
Yes sir, now the denominator is same.
So we can ignore the denominator. So I'm just going to write 60 and 21.
Yes.
Tell me, out of the two, which one is bigger?
60.
अच्छा, तो माउथ, अच्छा मैं ऑप्शन दे देता हूँ. ए और बी में से कौन सा?
A.
Perfect. Is anything missing?
Yes sir, the fraction is incomplete.
Okay. So 48,
Upon.
48. Correct?
Yes.
Can we stop here, Hitesh?
Yes sir.
No. What you should notice is कि उन लोग ने हम लोगों को ये फ्रैक्शन का नहीं पूछा था. उन लोग ने हमको ये फ्रैक्शन पूछा था. Correct?
Yes sir.
So this shouldn't be the answer. Answer should be comparing these two. दोनों सेम ही है. अगर मैं इसको कैंसिल करूंगा तो मुझे यही मिलेगा. इसको कैंसिल करूंगा तो यही मिलेगा. तो rather than using these numbers, we'll write the same thing for this number. So what I'll do is I'll write 15 upon 12. I'll write 7 upon 16. And I'll use the same option that we used earlier. तो अगर मैंने पहले ऑप्शन A यूज किया था तो अभी भी A यूज करूंगा. And this will be the correct answer.
Okay.
Did you understand this?
Yes sir.
Okay, everyone, I'd like you all to note down the homework is practice set 1.2. Sum number 1 to 6. I want you all to practice this again. I will meet you all on Friday and I'll reteach you all this method so that we become perfect at this method. And I'll even teach you an easy way to do it. What you all can do is once school starts, you all can ask school teacher whether you all can do the easy method or not. If you all can, then great. Okay? So again, before stopping, I'll repeat. Sunday, there's a demo at 11 o'clock. There's a maths demo and I will be teaching a different chapter. something that will help you all in your entire 9th and 10th. So as I said, you also have to join, but even your friends who are not a part of Adyan yet can also join, so they can experience how we teach on Zoom, right? And when lockdown opens, then we can all come to the classes together. So I'll see you all day after, everyone. Make sure to practice properly, and for any doubts, again, you all can either contact your center heads or go through the videos, the link that we sent to you all. I'll be sending the homework on the group again, so that in case there's any confusion, we can sort it out. Make sure to do it before Friday. Okay? Okay, Nishant sir, I'm done with the lecture.
Thank you, Auric sir. Okay, we are done with the lecture. Now we'll be seeing you directly on Friday. Okay, the next lecture will be on Friday. The recorded links will be posted on a WhatsApp group. Till then, take care. Bye. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Take care.